Hello, my name is Red. Welcome back to my channel. Today we have just a little bite-sized video for my birthday haul. So I know I said that I'm going for a low buy year, but really and truly I'm only replacing items that I feel like I use on a fairly regular basis. One of those is this lead holder that I was almost out of lead for, and I found these rainbow colored LEDs that are really fun. And then my markers, I had some cheap kind of knockoff Tombos that I liked but were completely dry or almost dry. So I really wanted to get some replacements for those and maybe a little bit of an upgrade. So I got 3 sets. I got the landscape set, the secondary set, and a pumpkin spice set, which I thought gave me a pretty good mix of colors. There were a couple duplicates, but nothing that I'm mad about. And I will say that I probably will buy maybe a couple yellows and a couple lighter tones just to kind of even out the whole set. But overall, I'm really happy with the color choices. I thought I'd play with this rainbow lid first, as I was really curious as to how it would differ from the existing rainbow pencil that I had. It is a little different. The colors are more mixed in the lead, so it really is a little bit more unpredictable as far as what colors you're going to get. But honestly, that made it really fun. I did a couple of random street views and window swaps just to kind of test it out, and it was really interesting the kind of lines that you could get, especially when you turn the lead as you're drawing. And then I moved on to the Tombow markers. I was really dying to try out that landscape set, and I'm really happy with these choices. The colors are definitely very much in my wheelhouse of things that I like. I played a little bit with some water just to see how it would react. I will say that if you use water, it does bleed through, but otherwise didn't seem to have any problems with bleed through with these markers. Now back over to the rainbow LEDs. I am working through the February list this year. I'm not doing every single bird, but just the ones that kind of really interest me. And I thought that the Cooper's Hawk would be really fun to draw with this, as it has some grays and reds and different colors. So as you can see, the colors aren't exactly accurate, but it was really fun to draw, and I think I got the kind of overall feel of the bird. So that's this video. I hope you enjoyed these new art supplies. Let me know which art supplies you've been really enjoying, and I will catch you guys on the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good one.